The simulate then procure economy. Digital twins and AI factory ROI in the hyper-competitive and increasingly volatile industrial landscape of April 2026. The global manufacturing sector has undergone a fundamental structural shift toward what experts call the simulate then procure economy. This paradigm shift represents a sophisticated, data-driven move away from traditional capital expenditure (CapEx) models to a risk-mitigated approach where physical hardware is only commissioned after its performance is mathematically validated in a high-fidelity virtual environment. Central to this revolution is the massive deployment of industrial digital twins, dynamic, real-time virtual replicas of entire factories powered by the NVIDIA Omniverse and Siemens Industrial Metaverse platforms. As of early 2026, top-tier Fortune 500 enterprises are leveraging synthetic data generation and predictive physics to simulate millions of hours of robotic interaction in mere seconds. This ensures that the return on investment (ROI) of a physical AI system is fully guaranteed before a single robot is ever unboxed or deployed on the shop floor. For content creators, this niche is a literal high CPM goldmine. Keywords such as Industrial Digital Twin ROI 2026, Predictive Maintenance Modeling, Autonomous Factory Simulation, and NVIDIA Isaac Lab Integration attract the highest-tier advertisements from multi-billion-dollar enterprise software firms and cloud infrastructure giants like Microsoft Azure and AWS. The ability to test drive an entire global supply chain within a simulated reality has virtually eliminated the costly trial and error phase of automation. We are now seeing zero-latency commissioning, where a robot is programmed in the cloud and starts working perfectly the moment it is plugged in. This isn't just basic 3D visualization, it's about deterministic automation. By using reinforcement learning from simulation, RLFS, the AI brain is trained in a risk-free digital sandbox where it can fail millions of times without breaking a single piece of equipment. Only when the model reaches 99.9% accuracy is it uploaded to the physical unit. This ensures that the transition from digital intelligence to physical labor is seamless, safe, and highly profitable, making it the primary strategic focus for industrial leaders in the post-generative AI era. OT convergence and agentic robotics. The future of autonomous labor. The second, and perhaps more transformative, pillar of the 2026 robotic revolution is the critical IT-OT convergence. This has effectively bridged the decade-long gap between a company's high-level information technology, its systems, which handle data and strategy, and its ground-level operational technology, OT, which handles the physical machines. This convergence has directly birthed the era of agentic robotics, where physical AI systems are no longer just dumb machines executing preset scripts. Instead, they are functioning as autonomous intelligent agents capable of real-time situational reasoning and self-optimization. In the current market of 2026, we are witnessing the rise of edge-to-cloud integration, where robotic fleets, such as Tesla's Optimus Gen 3, Figure 2, or Boston Dynamics Commercial Suite, are directly connected to a company's ERP, enterprise resource planning, systems like SAP S/4HANA or Oracle NetSuite. This allows for agentic decision-making right on the assembly line. For instance, if an IT sensor detects a global supply chain delay for a specific part, the OT robot doesn't just stop, it automatically queries the cloud, adjusts its workflow for a different product line, recalibrates its haptic feedback sensors for different materials, and predicts its own mechanical wear and tear through prescriptive maintenance algorithms. For YouTube creators, this topic drives extreme RPM because it targets the most expensive advertisers in the cybersecurity, cloud computing, and industrial IoT sectors. High-value keywords such as Zero Trust Robotics Security, Human-Robot Collaboration, HRC, 2026, Decentralized AI Labor, and Edge AI Inference Latency are currently at the absolute peak of the ad bidding cycle. This technological marriage ensures that physical AI isn't just a standalone tool, but a self-healing, secure ecosystem that can adapt to the messiness of the real world while maintaining the rigorous standards of corporate digital security. By moving from simple automation to agentic autonomy, the global workforce in 2026 is witnessing the birth of a hybrid labor model, where human strategic creativity and robotic physical precision are synchronized through a unified, AI-driven digital nervous system, creating a future where efficiency is only limited by the speed of thought.